Hello friends, in the previous video we have worked with register account page. We have created a function which can register new account in database, and also we have solved theme button problem. And also we have created custom message box for display warning. And also we are checking username and password entered or not. If you have not watched previous video, link in description. If I type wrong, repeat password. See, their new account is created. These accounts we have created in previous video. Now we will create a function which will check username is already exists or not. When user creating a new account, then we will check given username is already exists. If the username exists, then we will display warning message username is already exists. Because if the two accounts is created with same username, then it will be create a problem when we will log in account. Here we will check for username. Let's create function. It will take username argument. Simply here we will write query for check username from database. Accounts as table name. Notice these quotation marks need to add, otherwise you will get error. This query will check given username from database. If the username is existing in database, then it will return existing username. Here we are getting response from database. Let's test this function directly. These usernames is already existing in database. If I check with existing username. This username is existing in database. See, their database responded the existing username returned, that's mean this username is existing in database. If I check with not existing username. See, their database responded the empty value returned, that's mean this username is not existing in database. Now we will use this function when user creating a new account. Before using this function we need to return database response because we will use this function for checking condition. If the username is not existing already, then we will create account. And username is existing, then we will display message. Now let's test it. See, their new account is created. Now when new account created successfully, then we will display message and also we will clear entered information. Before displaying message we need to confirm account is created in case at the runtime of application database can be deleted by user creating account can be failure. So what we will do here, we will return true when account created successfully. And in case any error happened, then we will return false. Here we will use try except for catch error. In case any error happened, then we will return false. Error handling is a good practice even in the deal with databases because database is an external file that can be deleted by user. Here we will confirm. Here we are getting returned value for check account successfully created. If the true returned, then we will clear entered information and also we will display account have been created message. And also if returned value is false, that's mean an error happened and you can handle error in the else statement. Now let's test it. See, their account is created successfully and also entered information clear. We have complete work with register page. Now we will work with login page. Now we need to check username and password entered or not when user try to log in account. For checking username and password is not empty, we will do same as where we are checking in register account. Now let's test it. Now we will check for valid username and password, and also if the entered information is invalid, then we will display message. For check username is valid, we will use this function. This function we have created for check the given username is existing in database. This function will return existing username if the username is existing in database, otherwise it will return empty string. Now let's test it. Let's if I try to log in with invalid username. Now let's if I try to log in with valid username. No any message appear, that's mean username is exists. Now we will check given username and password is correct. Let's create a function for check password is correct. This function will take username and password argument and then we will check from database password is correct for given username. Here we will simply write query to check given password is correct for entered username. This query will check password is correct for given username and if the password is matching then it will return only username otherwise it will return empty string. Let's test this function directly. This username is correct. This password is wrong. See there empty value returned that's mean password is not matching. Let's if I type correct password. See there username returned that's mean password matching. Now we will use this function when user login account. And also we will display message when password is wrong. Let's if I type correct password. Now we will create dashboard page when user successfully login then it will be appear. Now let's test it. Now we will switch dashboard page when user successfully login account, and also we will create logout account and delete account function. Before display dashboard we will destroy login frame. Here will be a problem. We have destroyed login frame. We want username for welcome user. If the login frame destroyed, then we cannot access username entry box because username entry box is child widget of login frame. Solution is we will create a string variable for store username before destroying login frame. Now let's test it. See there, we have successfully login account. And also we will create logout account and delete account function. For logout account we need to destroy dashboard frame, and then we will display login page for login account again. Let's if I click logout account. See there we have logout. Now we will create delete account function. Delete account function will take username argument. Here we will simply write query to delete account by username. Notice these quotation marks need to add, otherwise you will get error. This query will delete username from database. Now we can use this function, but we will not use it directly by adding command in delete account button, because with deleting account we need to switch back into login page, and also we will display message. And also we need ask for confirm before deleting account. We are using Tkinter message box for ask yes or no message. Here we will check if the yes button pressed, then we will delete account. Given username will be deleted. After delete account we will destroy dashboard frame, and then after we will display login page. And also we will display message. Let's add command to button. Now let's test it. We have successfully logged in. Let's if I delete account. See their account deleted. Let's check account is deleted or not. Here I am trying to log in deleted account. See their account is not valid, that's mean account successfully deleted. Congratulations, we have created complete login system. Thank you for watching this complete series. Thank you once again for your support. Subscribe Tkinter Hub channel for more videos.